What's going on, guys? This is Kane over at Bavarian Rennsport. Today we're going to be bringing you in the day in the life with the Bavarian Rennsport team. On today's episode, we're going to be showcasing a beautiful BMW M8 competition Grand Coupe. We're also going to be adding some clips to the video of us installing the H&R lowering springs. Also be on the lookout for our Shop Audi R8 V10 Quattro, where we're installing some new window tint and touching up some of the PPF on the vehicle. Make sure you like and subscribe.
Hey guys, Duke here with Bavarian Rennsport. Today we have a beautiful 2023 M8 competition Grand Coupe, and today we are installing H&R lowering springs. This should give the vehicle about 1 inch drop all the way around on all 4 corners. So not only does it aesthetically look nice, it's also going to handle a little bit better with the new springs installed. On this particular vehicle, it's a full day job because you have to disassemble the whole back of the vehicle to get to the top of the struts to release them from the chassis. But you know, in certain vehicles, it could be a half day to a whole day job. It all depends on the vehicle, the make and model. You know, some make it more difficult to remove the suspension versus others, you know, some of the suspension just literally falls right out of it.
Now, compared to the stock springs that come with the car, how much of a difference do these new springs make?
So H&R does a great job with developing and engineering their springs. So it's also going to improve the handling of the vehicle, especially in corners or, you know, high-speed turns. Being that the car is an inch lower, it's going to have a lower center of gravity. So it's also going to stick to the road a little bit better. We're just getting the car, performing a vehicle scan. When we had the suspension disconnected, I'm just making sure it didn't set any particular faults. We don't have any warnings on, but still just want to scan the car and make sure that there aren't any faults active on the vehicle.
No way. That's it?
Hold up. Three quarters of a tank. 175 miles to empty.
Man, you ain't going nowhere. But I guess if you can afford this car, you're not really worried about the gas.
Yeah.
So, dude, how long we had this car on for?
I don't know.
Almost 10 minutes?
About 10 minutes.
And we're still waiting for the car to heat up so we can actually get a proper measurement.
Once that highlight's white, then you're good to go. There we go. That did it. Yep.
Nice.
One rev got it to where it needed to go.
Let's go. See, I knew it needed a rev. Thank you, camera. Now that he has lowering springs, will he be able to take corners a little bit quicker?
For sure.
Why is that?
When you lower a car, you lower the center of gravity of the vehicle, so it's able to handle a little bit better. It's not sitting as high off the ground. Now it's dropped down an inch, so definitely impacts the handling of the vehicle. These are sport springs, so they're definitely going to feel a little bit tighter around corners. Yeah, everything feels good. Tracking straight, handling good.
Now, for someone who's thinking about getting coilovers instead of lowering springs, what are some things they should think about?
How would they plan to use the vehicle? Whether they plan to use it as a daily driver, or, you know, I personally think coilovers are most effective on the track for track setup, but it's all preference. You know, the great thing about coilovers is you can adjust the height, you know, whenever you want to.
The difference between your basic film and your ceramic film is basically what it's comprised of and how it's made. Your basic film has been around since the 80s and 90s. It's just a dyed plastic film. Pretty much the technology has been around forever. It's just had slight upgrades over time. The ceramic film, we've been using it on buildings for years and years, and finally they've developed it for automobile use. It blocks a lot more heat, where your traditional film blocks about 25% heat. Your ceramic film bumps up into like the 50-60% of heat rejection. So it does increase a lot about how cool it keeps your vehicle. Some say the clarity is a little bit better. That's just all in personal opinion, I guess, but I think the ceramic film looks great and it works great. It's totally worth the investment.
Hey guys, this is Brandon with Media Made Fresh. Are you enjoying this video? Would you like content like this for your business? Send us an email or visit us at MediaMadeFresh.com and let's make your media fresh.